After installing the SystemOn software, get started by connecting to your Shure devices. Before beginning, you'll want to have a full list of IP addresses ready for your Shure devices. Especially important are those on a different subnet than the computer. Contact your network administrator if you don't already have this list. Additionally, you'll want to make sure these devices are operating a firmware version supported by SystemOn software. See the installation guide for a list of supported versions and update them accordingly using the Shure Update Utility application. Begin by selecting the network interface card used by SystemOn to communicate to your audio network. If more than one is available, choose the card with an IP address in the same range as your devices. Save your changes. Next, go to the All Devices page. SystemOn automatically discovers and displays devices set to the same subnet as the server. Use the Add by IP tab to add devices from a different subnet by simply entering one IP address per line. Or you can import a full list of IP addresses by selecting a .csv or text file. You should now be able to see all of your Shure devices from across the network. SystemOn remembers all devices and displays them regardless of their status. Green means the device is ready on the network. Red indicates the device is offline, either powered off or disconnected. Now that you have your audio network connected, you can begin to configure SystemOn for your team.